Welcome to Stayf Doodles. I'm Stayf, Dutch artist, and I've been working on this comic, Kwab in the Fridgedair, and this is page 12 of the story. And now I'm just going to show the whole process from sketching, and I'm sketching with a non-repro blue pencil, and that was really based on when I used to draw on paper, and I'm still using it digital. I'm drawing and inking everything in Procreate on the iPad, and I first make a basic layout, and I'm also using the perspective grid in Procreate. When I've finished the layout, I just go over it on a separate layer and refine the layout with the sketches. I want to make some reference to old stories of Professor Dr. Anton Mol, and that's why I'm using old pictures and using them as paintings. There's also a reference to the YouTube site Professor Dr. Anton Mol has, and that's like so, and in the background there is an old painting of another mole, so that's above the door. What I usually do is do the backgrounds on a separate layer than the characters. And in that way you can, still move the characters around. I'm inking everything with a sable brush, which is based on the Winsor & Newton Series 7, number 2. And it is available on Gumroad. And because it's Inktober right now, it is available for a 20% discount. On top of the door there is the painting. First ink the painting positive, and when you go to the layers you can make a negative of it by pressing on the layer and then go to invert, and then your drawing is inverted. I did that because I wanted to have a shade and have a perfect shade of black. And there's also a little joke. I'm drawing the Titanic because this whole story is about cold and ice. For the last panel I was still looking for a way to tell the story the best. So first I drew the inside from another point of view, but later on I decided that I should place them outside Malheim, and that's the villa of Professor Dr. Anton Mol. So drawing this comic strip took me 7 hours and 25 minutes.